That's for sure.
Okay.
DK, man, you just sit by flag.
Okay.
You make sure you spend that thing. Don't let them get it, because we're never gonna kill them. They have 2 tanks.
Sure.
So we're going Charlotte, then Weeder, and then Stormblades.
Okay, so who's getting Blood Elf and who's getting Fell Reaper?
Mage is getting Fell Reaver.
And Blood Elf?
No.
Okay, cool.
Blood Elf should be the hunter.
The
Yes.
healers should be in center with us. Do we have a druid healer?
Yes.
All right, the druid healer. If someone needs help, then you peel off the base. You good with that?
Yep.
All right. Charlotte's gonna be our first one.
Okay.
Yeah, you
Guys,
should drop
push
pretty
past
quick.
the flag. Fight on the other side of the flag.
Yep.
2
You guys
incoming
stop
on
on
Fell Reaver.
Stormblades while he's out here. Wait till Charlotte gets closer to the flag, so we don't have to.
I've
Someone's gonna
seen
back
2
up.
people coming
Got Charlotte.
to Fell
Yeah,
Reaver.
ready on Charlotte. Everybody on Charlotte. She's stunned.
Fell Reaver has 2
Go.
incoming.
Silencing Charlotte.
She's down. She's down. Everybody
for
on
Weaver's.
Stormblades. He's already bubbled, so we're going right for Stormblades.
It's like learning the paladin.
Is someone gonna peel back?
Yeah, I'm on my way back already.
Yeah,
Just
one
keep
roll
wiping
got
up
Fell
a bit.
Reaver. 2 roll got Fell Reaver.
The druid should go help. Everybody should be on Stormblades.
So, Lock, what are we doing to
Go.
flag, Lock?
You're gonna hold it.
I'm almost there, Mage.
I'm on fire. Oh.
All right, Stormblades. Once again, he's out of the second bubble. There you go. Someone cap? Oh no. Okay. Everybody just keep center.
Wow.
All right, when you get there, go ahead and cap. They're peeling
How
off.
are you doing it, Fell Reaver?
Cap the flag?
Yeah, cap it. Hey, why did all of our healers... Oh, we still have the paladin here. Okay, good. Who's our other healer besides the druid? You should probably come back center.
Yeah, the druid is at Fell Reaver.
Yep, but who's the other healer that we have?
That was me, the priest who capped the flag.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Alright, that's fine. Just come on back when you get a chance.
You
Or
should
help
have
clear
that
out
there,
Fell
Mage.
Reaper.
They tried to ninja Fell Reaver with a boomkin and two rogues.
Stay middle. Everybody stay middle.
Yeah.
Priest, will you come with the flag carrier?
They give up already?
No. There's a guy coming.
Tower, but-
Blood Elf side.
Yeah, might have some rogues up here. I don't know. Never mind, I'm good.
Fell Reaver. 2 rogues.
Druid is
I'm on my way back.
DK, stay middle. Spin flag.
Sure.
Priest, go ahead and help out Fell Reaver.
Druid's there. Got it.
Alright, pretty big incoming in Blood Elf Tower, y'all.
We don't need more.
All right, the Holy Pally, you go ahead and Holy Pally and Rogue go to Blood Elf.
Yeah, I'm
DK,
going
you
down.
sit middle.
I don't know that I can hold it.
We're coming right now.
Alright, Fell Reaver's clear.
They took BET.
All right, we need help at BET. Mage, stay at Fell Reaver. DK, sit middle. Everybody else should be at Blood Elf. We're gonna cap the flag there.
I'm on Stormblade at Blood Elf. Healer.
Yep, Stormblade.
Paladin.
He's bubbled. Everybody get on the boomkin while he's bubbled.
I'm cycloning him while he's popping.
Everybody should be on the boomkin. Boomson. He's down. Everybody back on storm blades.
Silencing. Gonna stun him in 2 seconds.
Somebody
3,
start
2,
spinning the
1.
flag.
Stunning him. Go. Blow him up.
I'm gonna cyclone this.
Down. All right.
Good job.
DK, you're gonna be okay down there?
I'm okay.
One rogue at Fall River.
Just go ahead and just send. Do we have anything in middle yet? DK.
No.
Nope.
Two
All right.
rogue Fall River.
Priest, and Warlock, and the Druid over to Fell Reaver. And keep an eye on BET. They're gonna try it again, obviously.
No Reaver's fine.
All right. Well, I guess everybody just keep floating in between bases. Oh, Druid's here. Everybody on.
Thanks.
That was clear.
Everybody should just float in between towers. Make sure you do early calls. You'll be able to see them coming. I'm gonna cap this at BET. Priest, come with me.
Pally and Rogue at Fell Reaver.
DK, stay mid with the Pally. Everybody else should be at Fell Reaver helping.
I'm on my way.
Pally bubble. He's running.
Where's the rogue? Did he die?
I vanished out.
Alright, I got one incoming blood elf tower. Just trying to sneak around.
Don't go that far down. We'll fly by the flag.
Okay.
So he's gonna try to pull you off. There's probably a rogue up here or something. All right. Who's in mid? Just a DK and Pally.
Yeah.
DK is
Pally.
mid.
DK, you can go ahead and grab the flag and run it to PET. I'll sit middle.
Blood elf.
Yep. Priest, go with him.
Cap.
Yep, go ahead.
The two be going to blood elf.
Have a rogue on the way as well.
Everybody should be helping Blood Elf right now, except for the Holy Pally and the Warlock, or the Warrior, and the Mage. It's at Fell Reaver.
There's a lot of blood elf.
Okay, the Casing blood elf.
Getting on Stormblades at Blood Elf. Switching to Boomkin.
I'm gonna dispel that. Dispel it.
Come back on.
Silencing.
Sure, you guys get the everybody on Stormblades or what?
Come
Yeah,
on.
Stormblades.
Stunning Stormblades.
Could die here.
Two rogue at Fall River.
The Druid and the Warlock should peel off to Fell Reaver.
Already on my way there.
All right, good.
DK goes mid again.
Yeah,
Yes, I'll
DK, you
look
can
at-
come mid.
Have that out.
Blood Elf's good.
Yeah, but there's a rogue around here.
All right, Priest, stay there at Blood Elf with the Hunter. DK, you're gonna secure mid with the Holy Pally.
Okay, I'm here again.
All right. Who's alone? The Holy Pally's coming back to you.
Okay.
Bell Reaver clear.
Yep.
DK, are we clear center?
Yeah,
Actually, I think they're waiting for us to cap it. The guy's just sitting there all weird. So we're not going to cap it. We'll let it go out.
They gave up.
Yeah.
Yeah, one coming FR.
Yeah, they give up. Look at their here. The dude.
Yeah, he's just sitting there for a while now.
Yep.
Yeah, I just cap it.
Yeah, just cap. One incoming BET.
Priest peel off with the warrior.
Echo us.
Damn.
This should be game.
Wow. It always gives me good I don't fucking need.
At least you get care,
Oh
dude.
my god.
Pisses me off. Give me something I need.